Hi everyone. So welcome to the week two. You did a great job last week. I really enjoyed watching your self introduction video. I hope you have a great time in this course. So this week we'll start to learn the importance of safety on the internet. So we have 5 tasks in total this week. The first one is to watch this video. So I will try to keep the introduction video simple every week. The second task is to read the purpose of this course. So this is very important for you to know what is the aim of this course. And in the following weeks, I hope you can keep these purposes as the guidelines of this course and try to review them often. So the third task is to do the flip grade reflection. One thing to note that we need to finish this reflection before the reading assignment. So this is a guiding question for this reflection. Please use your own experience to answer this question. I just want to hear your initial thoughts. So just feel free to answer. One thing to note that this deadline is this Friday. And please use this flip grade link to do the reflection. The fourth task is a reading assignment. There are 3 readings this week. For the last reading, you just need to read the page from 243 to 294. So you don't need to finish the whole chapter. When you are reading, please use these questions as the guiding questions. So please take notes to find the answer of these questions. So in the next task, you will need to use these answers to do the reflection. In the last task, we will use the discussion forum in the Canvas system to do the reading discussion. You can just use this link, or you can just click the discussion function like this one, and try to find the week 2 discussion activity. So it's this one. So then you can do the discussion reflection in this discussion forum. Okay. For the discussion, every one of us need to write 3 paragraphs and to include these 3 topics. So these are the 3 topics in the 3 paragraphs. And after the discussion post, you also need to provide at least 1 comment to your colleagues. One thing to note that there are 2 deadlines for this task. The discussion post is due this Friday, and the comment is due next Tuesday, so please remember it. I will also send an email to remind you. So that's all for this week. If you have any questions, please send an email to me. The weather is not good these days, so please take care and see you next week.